Hi there, we Hot Wheelers. It's Craig and Dion here again. And yeah, I don't know what he's doing. Having fun, as he usually does, filming Hot Wheels. That's the way we do it. Anyway, we're here to do another race. We were discussing, we said, oh, why don't we race two cars? Because the last two races that we did, the Jaguar and the Ford GT, they both won all their races against our supercars. So we thought we'd race those two to see which one is the quickest. So yep, we're going to go and do it, guys. Let's go down to the track. Here we go, guys. Here's our track. And yep, we're ready to race. The cars are up there already, and Dion's about to get everything started. Here we go. Time to race. Here we go, guys. There are the cars. So the race is going to be the first one to win two races. So, racers, ready? Here we go, guys. It is race 2. The Jaguar won the first race. So we swapped the lanes. So yep, we want to see if the Ford can pull one back against the Jaguar. Racers, ready?
Let's go. The Jaguar XJ220 takes the win to finish it off.
Well, there we go, guys. It's the Jaguar has finished on top. As you can see, it beat the GT. So the Jag is definitely the quickest between the two. Yeah, with thanks for watching. And Dion's got something to say.
We really appreciated all the stuff that you did to our channel, like thumbs up, comments and subscribers, and we really appreciate it because we reached 500. So that's about all I have to say.
Well, there we go, guys. Thanks for watching again, and keep on Hot Wheeling.